y is under root of wu, z is under root of uv, right? If phi is a function of xyz and x is under root of vw, y is under root of wu, z is under root of uv. Now you can say that sir, x is a function of vw only, it is not a function of u because u is not present. But is every time the case same? I will identify it from here. Del phi by del x, del phi by del u means everywhere it is a function of how many variables?
3.
3 variables. इसीलिए though u is not prominently present in x, but x is a function of u, v and w. Though v is not prominently present in y, but y should be treated as function of how many variables? 3 variables u, v and w. Why? Because in the denominator we see the derivative of phi with respect to u, v and w, right? Phi is a function of xyz. XYZ in turn is a function of U, V and W. So 3:3 pair बन जाएगा यहाँ पर, right? So can you try to write the chain appropriately in this example?
Yes, sir.
How the chain will be generated? Phi is a function of XYZ. XYZ is a function of UVW. So phi becomes a composite function. So how many equations we are going to get?
3.
What are they? Del phi by
Del u, del phi
del
by
phi
del
by
v,
del
del phi
v,
by del
del
w.
phi by del w. But are these directly obtained?
No, sir.
No,
Via
sir.
X, Y.
X, Y and Z.
XYZ.
बस आ गया इतना समझ में, तो कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं जाएगा. लिखो, we have phi is equal to, or phi is a function of xyz. Xyz are functions of uvw. Phi becomes composite function of, phi becomes
UVW.
yes, phi is a composite function of u, v, w. Phi is a composite function of uvw. ठीक है? एंड देयरफॉर वी गेट द, ये चेन, ये ड्रॉ करना, फिगर हमेशा ड्रॉ करना तो समझ में आएगा. ठीक है? सो डेल फाई बाय डेल यू, डेल फाई बाय डेल एक्स बाय डेल यू, डेल फाई बाय डेल वाई, डेल फाई बाय डेल यू, डेल फाई बाय डेल जेड बाय डेल यू. यू के साथ खत्म हो गया पूरा एक्स वाई जेड. नाउ राइट डाउन डेल फाई बाय डेल वी एंड डेल फाई बाय डेल डब्ल्यू. Then we can verify whether yours and mine matches or not. Clear up to this? What will be the next step? Del phi by del v will be del phi by del x by del v, del phi by del y by del v, del phi by del z by del v. We call it as equation number 2. Noted down.
Yes, sir.
What will be the third? Del phi by del w. Del phi by del w will be this. Del phi by del x by del w. Del phi by del y by del w. Del phi by del z by del w. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So all these three equations are available now.
Yes, sir.
Now, which derivatives can be calculated? Can you calculate del phi by del x?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What can be calculated then?
Del X
Del
by
X
del
by
U,
del
del
U.
Y by
Del X
del
by del
Yes.
V.
So how you calculate del x by del u?
by keeping V and W constant.
So what is the derivative of del x by del u?
0.
Yes,
0.
because v and w
0.
are constant. Derivative of constant is 0. How you calculate del x by del v?
By keeping U and W constant.
Keeping u and w constant. But how you take the derivative of root u? What is derivative of root
1
u?
upon 2 root.
1 upon 2 root.
1 upon 2 root U.
Yes, 1 upon 2
Under
root
root
u
of
into du by dx. So whatever will be the term. I hope you got the process of calculating the derivative. So x is equal to under root of vw. Del x by del u. This is constant. So derivative of constant is 0. Del x by del v. Root u का derivative 1 upon 2 root u into derivative of vw, out of which w is constant, derivative of v is 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And therefore it becomes w upon 2 under root vw. Similarly, del x by del w, 1 upon 2 root vw into v constant. W का derivative with respect to w is 1. Over. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now calculate. अभी ज्यादा दिमाग न लगाते हुए note down these derivatives. They are going to be the same, right? We substitute it in the formula now. So write down y is equal to under root of uw. Del y by del u will be this. Del y by del v will be 0 as u and w are kept constant. Del y by del w will be this. If z is equal to root uv, del z by del u, del z by del v, and del z by del w. Note down the values. Put them in the formulae. Equation number 1, 2, and 3. Put them one by one in the equation number 1, 2, and 3. So this will be generated. Clear? Kindly note down. Substituting them in equation 1, 2, and 3. Del x by del phi by del u, del phi by del v, del phi by del w. This is generated. Clear? Now only I don't want del phi by del u. What should be multiplied with del phi by del u?
U.
Sorry? What will be multiplied to del phi by del u?
X U.
U.
X u
U.
क्या क्वेश्चन में देखो ना रिजल्ट.
U.
U.
Del phi by del u is multiplied by u. तो इक्वेशन नंबर 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा?
U.
u से. तो क्या बन जाएगा? ये 4, 5, 6 रिटर्न एवरीबॉडी. हाँ जी. Equation number 4, 5, 6 written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
U V
Yes,
W
sir.
बराबर लिखो, कंफ्यूजन मत करो V और W में, U और V में. Those terms should be written properly. Multiplying equation 4, 5, 6 by UVW. So 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा मैं U से तो क्या हो जाएगा? UW अपॉन रूट UW, UV upon root UV, right? This will be the case. But UW upon root UW यानी क्या होता है?
Root
It is
UW.
X upon root X. How is X upon root X written as? Root
Root
X. So X upon root X is root X. So denominator वाला चले जाएगा, ऊपर में ही बचेगा, right? The terms are adjusted automatically. No need to worry. Similarly, V into del phi by del V will be this. मैंने डायरेक्ट लिखा है. ओके. V into del phi by del V will be under root of VW by 2 del phi by del X plus under root of UV upon 2 del phi by del Z. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Directly W into del phi by del W will be this. See, one step we have shown, but automatically others can be written directly. So equation number 7, 8 and 9. Just add them, you get the result. Clear? Noted down equation 7, 8 and 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Add them together. This will give you the result. ठीक है? 2 2 कहीं से कैंसल हो जाएगा. This is the required result. अरे अंडर रूट ऑफ VW यानी क्या है? X होगा.
Yes, sir. X.
अंडर रूट ऑफ UW क्या है? Y होगा.
Y.
Y by 2 plus Y by 2 is Y. X by 2 plus X by 2 is X.
X.
Hence the result. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is how we have to simplify and get the answer. Noted, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Can we move on to the last?
Yes, sir.
Very, very important one. Little bit conceptual. ठीक है? Please have patience and pay complete attention. Is the earlier one over? Is the earlier one over?
Yes, sir.
U into del phi by del U plus V into del phi by del V plus W into del phi by del W is X into del phi by del X plus Y into del phi by del Y plus Z into del phi by del Z. This is the required result. Note down the next. If Z is equal to function of UV. U and V are the two other functions such that U is equal to Lx plus My, V is equal to Ly minus Mx. Show that. Written down the question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now tell me, Z is a function of,
U and V.
U and V is a function of,
X and Y.
so U becomes a composite function of,
X and Y.
so which derivative will be written?
Del Z by del X and del Z by del Y.
But what is asked in the question?
Del square Z upon del X square.
And
Del square Z upon del
Z
Y
upon
square.
del Y.
ये कैसे आएगा?
Differentiating once
Double.
again with respect to X and Y.
Del Z by del X is to be differentiated with respect to X. Right? यानी del by del X of del Z by del X will give you del 2Z by del X square. Is this clear in your mind?
Yes, sir.
बस अभी ये लिखो, फिर बताता हूं मैं क्या करना है. Z is function of UV. U and V is a function of XY. Z becomes a composite function of XY. Note down these two chains. Z is a composite function of X and Y. Del Z by del X is del Z by del U by del X. Del Z by del V by del X. Del Z by del Y. Del Z by del U by del Y. Del Z by del V by del Y. Calculate derivative. U is a function of X and Y. Lx plus My. Y will be constant, M will be constant. Del U by del X will be L. Del U by del Y. X is constant, L is constant. Del U by del Y is M. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear up to this? So del V by del Y, del V by del X. Completed up to this?
Yes, sir.
Now put the value in the respective steps. Equation number 1 and 2. So क्या मिलेगा? Del Z by del X will be like this.
Yes, sir.
यहां तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नाउ is it completed up to this?
Yes, sir.
Now del z by del x is del z by del u into L and del z by del v into minus m as per this particular rule. ये मुझे क्या मिल गया? del z by del x मिल गया. Now listen carefully, this is very important, the further step. Now I am interested in calculating the value of del 2z by del x square because that is asked to me. How I get the value of del 2z by del x square? If I differentiate it partially again with respect to x. So del z by del x is obtained by differentiating partially with respect to x. So we will be finding out the value of operator. See d by dx अगर मैं y पे लगा देता हूं तो कौन सा डेरिवेटिव मिलेगा? dy by dx. If I operate this d by dx on z, which derivative I will be getting? dz by dx. तो वैसे ये डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल को भूल जाओ, just get the value of the operator. From del z by del x, if you remove this dependent variable z, what is the value of operator coming out as? Value of operator is coming out as del by del x represent L into del by del u minus m into del by del v. If you operate it on z, here it will be z, z, z. If you operate it on p, it will be p, p, p. Right? Is this clear? Is the logic clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So remember this, d by dx operated on y will be dy by dx. d by dx operated on z will be dz by dx. So forget about the dependent variable, concentrate on the operator. I want del 2z by del x square. Del 2z by del x square is del by del x of del z by del x. Del z by del x is available. From del z by del x, remove the dependent variable z, get the value of operator del by del x. Now multiply these two. ये दोनों का multiplication करो, you get the result. Understood?
Yes, sir.
ऑपरेटर निकालना समझ में आ गया बेटा सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Only
Yes,
the
sir.
dependent variable, whatever it is, removed. डेल बाय डेल एक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है किसके साथ? डेल जेड बाय डेल एक्स के साथ. हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई? टर्म बाय टर्म मल्टीप्लीकेशन. जैसे टू ब्रैकेट्स आर मल्टीप्लाइड, नोटेड डाउन दीज ब्रैकेट्स, फिर बताता हूं मैं इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन कैसे करना है. L into del by del u minus m into del by del v multiplied by L del z by del u minus m del z by del v. First term L del by del u multiplied by this complete bracket L into L, L square, del by del u of del z by del u, del by del u of del z by del u क्या होगा? Yes. Del by del
Del
u of
square
del
z
z
by
by
del
del u.
u square.
Yes.
L2 Z by del U square.
Del 2z by del u square. Plus into minus minus. So minus ml. ठीक है? या lm जो भी बोलो, lm बोलो ml बोलो. Del by del u of del z by del v. It will be del 2z by del u del v. Mixed partial derivative. Del by del u of del z by del v. ऐसे ही बनेगा.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes del 2z by del u del v, the mixed partial derivative. Now इसके साथ multiplication हो चुका है. Take the new term minus m del by del v. Minus m into L is minus ml. Del 2z by del v del u. Minus minus plus m into m square. Del by del v of del z by del v. Del 2z by del v square. ठीक है? So that is how it is generated. So आपको क्या मिला? Now mixed partial derivative is same. Del u del v is same as del v del u. So minus minus 2 times will be this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now del z by del y निकालो. Del z by del y में put कर दो values. We reduce or deduce or derive it from the for the operator form. Del by del y operator निकलेगा इसमें से. What will be del by del y operator? M into del by del u plus L into del by del v.
Del V.
Clear? I hope this funda is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note it down. Del z by del y will be after substituting here. Del z by del y कहाँ substitute करना है? ये chain rule वाले में. So you get the result as m into del z by del u and L into del z by del v. Operator del by del y represents this. Del 2z by del y square is this multiplied by this. ये m into del by del u operated on this. And this operated on this will give you the result. ठीक है? इसमें प्लस है हर जगह, नो माइनस साइन. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this middle sign is plus and minus, both will get cancelled if you add them. The mixed partial derivative is same, del 2z by del u del v या del v del u जो भी है ना? Clear? Completed up to this. Now only what is left? What is left now? Adding them together. Yes? This step is clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now just adding will give you the result. Add them together, middle term with minus 2lm and plus 2lm will cancel. Yes. LHS is this. And this is the required result. Over.
Yes.
Is this the question? Del 2z by del x square plus del 2z by del y
Yes,
square
sir.
is del square plus
Yes.
f square into del 2z by del u square plus del 2z by del v square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the example related to the second order derivative. So second order जब derivative है chain rule में तो क्या करना पड़ता है? From the chain rule statement, first we have to get the value of operator. Operate that on the statements itself. You get the second order derivative, right? If you see, अपन ने del z by del y का statement लिखा. From del z by del y only I obtained this operator, and similarly again I operated the same on the statement del z by del y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Only that statement is important. This statement will give you the value for operator. Again, this operator to be operated on the same. You get the second order derivative. So with this, we complete with the solution of the example related to the second order derivative containing or related to the partial differentiation of chain rule or chain rule of total differential coefficient. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now there are certain examples for you to practice. ठीक है, अभी सुन लो. This particular page I will be sharing with you. Now see, what is the problem given for example given for homework? Kindly don't write the question. You will be provided with this. Just listen to what I am saying. What is given? U is a function of x square plus 2yz and y square plus 2xz. Then find the value of what you are seeing here, the derivative del u by del x, del u by del y, and del u by del z. But do you know the value of u, v and w? Sorry, do you know the function u?
No, sir.
वो फंक्शन कैसा दिया है? x y z के कॉम्बिनेशन में दिया है. So for writing down the chain rule, I consider this as s and this as t. तो चेन कैसा बनेगा? u is a function of
S
S and T.
s and t is a function of
X, Y, and Z.
so u can be differentiated or u is a composite function of
X, Y, and Z.
आई क्या बात समझ में? तो कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है इसको? कंसिडर दिस एज एस because u cannot be differentiated directly with xyz. There has to be certain medium, and वो medium क्या play करेगा role? S. There has to be certain medium, so that has to be considered as t. So u becomes a function of s and t. S and t are functions of xyz, and then I can calculate del u by del x, del u by del y, del u by del z. Is this clear? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
the statement. So there will be three derivatives, del u by del x, del u by del y, del u by del z. बट अंदर में दो ही टर्म रहेंगे, एक s और दूसरा t. ठीक है? इट इज नॉट 3:3 कॉम्बिनेशन, इट इज 2:3 कॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Now how to do the second one? Second one क्या दिया हुआ है? If u is equal to x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, del u by del x निकालो. Can del u by del x be calculated directly?
No, sir.
No, sir.
तो क्या करेंगे इसको? S T V. तो मैंने क्या लिया है? V S and T. So chain कैसे बनेगा? U is a
U
function
is a
of
function of VST and VST is a function of XYZ.
आई क्या बात समझ में सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then U will become a composite function of
XYZ.
X, Y, Z.
XYZ.
and therefore you can obtain this. So here what is the combination? 3:3 is the combination. Here it was 2:3, right? Here it is 3:3 combination. इसमें भी कैसे करोगे?
VST.
VST. VST are functions of
X, Y, Z.
आई बात
Z.
समझ में कैसे चेन बनेगा?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
इसका आंसर क्या आता है? 0. इसका आंसर भी 0 है, इसमें भी 0 है. ठीक है? So I will share this with you. A concept I have explained how to go ahead.